Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Extremely Racist Woman Turns a Car Accident into 3 Felonies. So let's get into the video. Let's see what this video is about.
Take you back to Mexico. That ugly, your kids ugly, your wall ugly. Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico. Pushing me around. Wrong with you? Back the f up.
Today on Uncovered, watch this complete disgrace to society have the most obnoxious and prejudiced meltdown when she gets into a car accident with a Hispanic family.
You sure? Because she about to go.
While she has the right of way, they sped up would not stop.
My car, I have 2 kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what happened?
She's saying they lighting the stop sign.
I find you on the street. I'll get you from the cops and knock. You're getting knocked in your nose.
Ma'am, I'm asking one more time. Step over here. Thank you.
Call your brother to the people. Call somebody black. Come on. You should have taken back to Mexico.
One more time.
Take you back to Mexico. Go back to Mexico.
That's your car? The white car?
Yes!
Go stand by it.
The suspect is completely belligerent and shows no initial signs of cooperation. She's unable to control her emotions for the entirety of this incident and only continues to get more aggressive with the family.
Go to your car. And we need your license, registration, and proof of insurance. I mean, ma'am, you need your documents. Well,
The suspect refuses to share any information with the officers while she is distressed, so they try speaking to her friend instead.
I can't drive that car.
Before, like, she stopped at a stop sign. They just kept going. Isn't it like y'all feel like you could take a report or something like that?
so there's a report going to be made. It's you were in the car with her?
Yeah, I was on the passenger seat.
So, I mean, if she calmed down, we can actually get this stuff rectified. But her acting like this ain't nothing gonna get fixed. I feel you. I understand that, but somebody has to do something. If you want to go in her car and get her documents for me, because the report's gonna be made regardless.
You need license or
I
something?
need her license, registration, and proof of insurance. All that needs to be inside the crash report, right? And then we'll take a story from whoever, and whoever was driving, we'll ask these questions. But her yelling and trying to fight the people, we can't. We're only getting one side of the story. She's not even giving a side of a story.
This is absolutely ridiculous. You see that guy, he has to sit there and sweep up after she made that mess, kicking in the garbage and stuff like that. Like, this is somebody's neighborhood. You know, if you don't want to take no pride in it, you know, like, I get it, you upset, but come on. And then the next thing is like, you like, yo, take that back to Mexico, this and that. But it's okay for you to say that. But when a white person say some slick shit to, you know, to black, now it's like, come on. Yeah, both incidences is wrong. You know what I mean? Like, that racism stuff, that racist stuff is just like, you know, the black people say some crazy stuff. The white people say some crazy stuff. You know, everybody, like, come on, we can't pick and choose and see what's right and what's wrong. It's all wrong. There's no reason for it.
They sped up.
Okay.
So who fault?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. You have your license.
Come on!
Your car is pretty much.
What? It's pretty much what?
I don't know if it's drivable.
I don't think so. Will you help me out and ski?
Well,
You dumb f***ings. I would spit on you. On you. You're spitting on you.
Whoa, relax. Yeah, we're gonna have to cuff her or something.
No, I'm not. I have a crisis record. They know me already.
That's gonna be your next stop.
Get out my car!
Ma'am.
Get out of that!
ma'am, I need your registration and insurance if you want me to do this report, correct?
As the officers try to gather her license and registration, she continues to freak out and shifts the blame to her friend who was in the passenger seat.
I'm not doing shit for nobody else. Cause stupid Toddy had me rushing car and you.
Nah, can you explain what happened again? Because I couldn't
Alright,
hear.
so she was driving.
She was driving on here.
Stopped right there, and then nobody was coming with. Nobody was coming. So then she kept driving. This car just came out of nowhere, just zooming like. just kept going. It didn't stop or nothing. Just kept going and just kept.
I'm doing it right now.
Is there like coming?
Yeah,
Somebody's coming to pick y'all up? Okay, cool.
I'm drivable, right?
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. I don't know what to tell you. It's easily fixable, but you just can't drive it right now.
How much is it to fix it?
Well, I don't know. When the record gets here, it's okay. So, listen, man, go to your car. Go to your car. To the car. Do me a favor. No, stand up. Stand up. You can't sit in the middle of the street. Stand up.
I don't want to. I'm
You have no
done.
choice but to stand up. Stand up. You have to stand up. You have to stand up. You don't want to sit in the middle of the street.
I don't want to.
At least sit on the sidewalk because your car is coming down the street. I don't want to have to pick you up. Okay? Can you stand up for me? Can you please stand up for me? Just stand up.
Help me out. I need help.
You know, this reminds me of like, you know, when you got kids and, you know, I remember when I was a kid, I would do this. And you was sick and you would pretend to be, you know, give on a little act for mom and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel well, you know, and they would fall for it. This is what this reminds me of because she's sitting here whining and crying, but I ain't seen not one teardrop come down. Like, this is poor acting. This is like straight to DVD type of acting right here.
So then, listen, you can come over here, right, and have a seat. Just sit down. Sit down and relax. It's okay, all right? Just have a seat. You need medical attention?
He said he gonna call up ambulance.
You do or you don't?
I think I do. I was starting to feel in my
Leave me alone
In
for
your
now.
back?
Don't talk to me again. I'm gonna do a favor for all y'all.
Okay.
Stupid ass Toddy got me in this predicament. You sitting up. Oh, I can't even stand
yeah.
up. You.
There's empty, so.
And Toddy. Toddy can't talk to me no more. You. Don't ever talk to me again in your life.
I'm gonna get the trash out the street.
The officer cleans some of the trash off the street while they wait for a medical team to come and evaluate the victims.
Can you, ma'am, listen. Please, crisis. It's crisis. It's not that.
Your kids ugly too.
Listen.
Y'all all ugly. That ugly. Your kids ugly. Y'all all ugly.
That way.
You're ugly. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. Leave me alone.
Come on. Look, I'm not about to chase her down. I'm not chasing her, bro. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis.
I don't need crisis.
Listen, yes you do.
I need to figure out my car.
Your car is done. Listen, go talk to my mans in the ambulance, please. Thank
I'm
you.
not going with y'all. Whatever y'all think, I'm not going with y'all. Leave me alone. Don't talk to me.
She needs medical attention. She needs medical attention. All right, cool. She's a more sensible medical attention. And that way.
So what are we doing here? Are we just gonna play cops and robbers or something? Like, what's going on here? Because you said that you was gonna arrest her. The white guy said, yo, I'm gonna lock you up. He went to go for the cuffs. She's yet to be in handcuffs. This is what I mean. When you decide to make a decision, you need to stick to it. That's the reason why so many suspects and stuff, they don't be believing cops. You know what I'm saying? They just be like, yeah, you playing. Because they'll say something and then they won't act on it. If I say, all right, you're under arrest, you're going, like, that's what it is. You're going in cuffs, like, period. You know what I'm saying?
That way.
Don't call me again in your life. Stop calling me.
Thank you.
They not hurt.
Ma'am.
Y'all ain't about collision.
This way.
You Mexican?
This way. Thank you. Go over here with your friend.
Tell
Your
Don,
car.
Completely unnecessary.
Get off me.
Charlie, your next step is going to be jail.
Leave me alone.
I hear
Ugly.
you. I hear you.
You're ugly.
Next step is going to be jail.
Here.
You got a license on you?
No, it's at my mom. I have
She don't need her license. She don't need her license. She always want an accident. Mind your
She
business.
was a passenger in the... I'm trying to help. I'm truly actually trying to help.
Nothing. Get them locked up.
Alazán. ¿Cuál es el nacimiento de ella?
Agosto 7, 2020.
I can fix the shit today. You alone, I have no money for you. I make 20 police officers.
That's good. You want to give me some money?
Yeah, I am ugly.
There you go.
Mr. Ugly, I spit on you.
Don't do that.
You're ugly. That's the thing. Go back to that.
Eso estaba la respuesta más. Y caminando aquí, ¿verdad? Okay.
The suspect's mental condition only seems to get worse as more onlookers come out to spectate. Deputies come to a realization that they'll need to step in and arrest her momentarily, as she shows no sign of calming down anytime soon.
I don't want to fight with her. She's going to crisis, bro. But we're not about to...
You know what? She hit somebody, bro.
Who she hit?
No, you don't know what she's going to do. She got her out of control.
Man, let her act crazy, bro. We just get told, bro.
Police should come in.
Oh, she's clearly out of her mind.
Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico.
I don't know what's up with the black officer, man, because she need to be, yeah, I would put her in cuffs, man. She acting a complete fool. You know, I like this white officer right here, but the only thing that I don't like is that, you know, he said that he was gonna lock her up and then he pump faked and didn't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the only thing. It's like, you know, he wants to lock her up. The black officer doesn't, but she is the common denominator and she clearly wants to get locked up. So I would lock her up.
Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico. Look where you live at. Look where your house. I got more than you and your mom put together.
You, car.
No. How about that? I'm more than you.
That's what I mean by they take them as a joke. They don't do nothing. They don't stand on their word.
No, but we pulled up. It was already in the street. 515. Lock her up for this.
Yeah, let's go, man.
Calm down.
Nah, that black officer, nah, bruh. You pump faking, bro. The whole time the other officer been wanting to lock her up. Now that you see Sarge and all the other boys come around, now you wanna, nah, bro. Nah, we not jacking that. You pump faking, bruh. You pump faking, bro. Like, come on, man. You wasn't on that prior. You was like, I don't want to chase her. You know, let her do whatever. Like, she's going to crisis. Now you see them other boys that, yeah, you see them, the Act Right team, they came through. You know what I'm saying? Now you want to be, Come on, man.
Open the door.
Okay.
Can't leave back here.
Who can't?
Open the window. What is wrong with you?
Let me get the keys.
Oh, ugly. Everybody is ugly. I'm ugly Mexican. I remember faces. I remember you. I remember you ugly. The kid's ugly, and you're ugly. Die. Go back to Mexico.
For Northeast, and I do it.
You want me to fix for me? You! You ugly! You! I'm gonna you up!
262 dispatch from code 4, you can release the air.
Now! Hey! Take me there now! money. Nobody here make more money than me. Nobody in this car make more money than me.
335.
Nobody in this jail make more money than me.
Yes, sir.
Step out.
Don't touch me.
Step out. Man.
I'm not the one. I'm not the one for real. Tell me that.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're going by tomorrow. You're going by tomorrow.
Excuse me, step away from the car.
Why you putting your name?
Thank you.
Idiot.
Thank you.
My slide is broke.
That's fine. All right, well, we'll take it with us.
I gotta walk on no shoes. You're going by tomorrow.
That's cool.
And I'm making call. Thank you for that. What's your name? You'll be going. Officer what?
Officer Yeldell, badge number 6545.
I don't even know your first my last name. That's all I need to know.
Yeldell is my last name.
You wanna be bold? Let me know where you live at. So make it quick.
Is my name.
Let me know where you live at. So make it quick. You'll be going by tomorrow. You ain't your phone.
This way.
No shit.
That's cool.
Ain't no cool. You'll be gone.
Have a seat.
All y'all. Stop pushing me around. What's wrong with you? Back the f up. What? But you can't.
Stand in the
Bye.
Stand in the box.
Stand in the box. Stand up.
Get off me.
Stand in the box.
I bet you I'll be out of here. No charge.
Nah, it's not gonna happen. Spin
It's
around.
gonna happen.
Spin around for me.
It's gonna happen. I bet you. And if not, there's something else that I got caught up for.
What's
No
up?
word.
Let me get these keys. I'm going in the box.
The keys?
Yeah, I'm about to put it away. You
I
good?
can't hear it.
I said I'm putting it right. Not dealing with this, man.
Oh, well, yeah.
Nah, I got. What's your name?
Tamia Lakeisha Jones.
No racial slurs.
Shut up.
Spell
That's
your
good enough for
middle.
you?
Spell your middle name.
I don't know my middle name. I literally don't.
I'm not surprised. What's your last name?
Jones.
Jones.
I
J.
don't like my
Jones.
mom.
The suspect was arrested for disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and aggravated menacing with racial bias. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more never-before-seen arrest footage daily.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.